Now that we can add and subtract our functions, let's move on to multiplication, which is just going to be a little bit more challenging than the adding and subtracting. So we've got f times g of x, which is f of x times g of x. And here's our steps. And the first one changes. Since we're multiplying, we're going to distribute first. Then we're going to combine like terms. Then we'll simplify, and then we'll evaluate if necessary. So let's jump into an example. Let f of x equal 2x plus 3 and g of x equal x squared. Find f of x times g of x. So here's our 2x plus 3 multiplied by x times 2. And this is again why I put parentheses around my two equations. We need to distribute. Remember, both terms of our function need to be multiplied out. So we got 2x times x squared, which is 2x cubed. Then we have 3 times x squared, which is 3x squared. It is added. There's no negative signs or subtraction signs. So this is our final answer. There's no like terms to combine. We have already simplified. 2x plus 3, 2x cubed plus 3x squared. All right, let f of a equal 3a minus 2 and g of a equal 2a plus 5. Find f of x times g of x. So again, here's my two equations put in parentheses so we know what belongs to what. And we need to distribute. Remember, each term needs to be multiplied by each term. So 3a times 2a gives me 6a squared. Then we need to take our 3a times our 5 to get plus 15a. Again, no negative signs. Now we can multiply our negative 2 to each term. So negative 2 times 2a gives me negative 4a. Negative times a positive gives me a negative. And then finally, negative 2 times positive 5 gives me negative 10. Make sure you're multiplying or distributing each term in each function. So now we can combine like terms, and that gives us 6a squared, I cannot talk today, plus 11a minus 10. All right, another example. Let h of w equal 6w minus 4 and g of w equal w plus 3. Find h times g of 2. So again, write out your equation in parentheses, each function in parentheses, 6w minus 4 times my w plus 3. And again, multiply each term by each term. 6w times w gives me 6w squared. 6w times 3 equals 18w. Make sure you multiply every term. Negative 4 times w gives me negative 4w. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Combine like terms. 6w squared plus 14w minus 10. Sorry, that should be a 12. Well, things are going to get a little sticky here. Sorry, guys, that is a 12. Now I can plug in my 2 to evaluate. 6 times 2 squared plus 14 times 2 minus 12. It's not going to give me 42 now. It's going to give me 40. So once I multiply all this out using your calculator or your brain, however you want to, you will get the right answer at evaluating them. All right, let me know if you have any questions multiplying these out and evaluating.